Striped bear.
Hello. I love playing football. Achoo! But I keep sneezing and missing the ball today. Achoo!
Hey, Rupert! Don't worry. Here.
Achoo! Oh, sorry. Bill, is there anything in your book about how to get rid of sneezes?
I'll look it up. Socks. Snap.
I know. I'll ask Ping Pong to magic my sneezes away.
I don't think that's a good idea, Rupert.
It is. The sooner I get rid of my sneezes, the faster we can get on with our game. Come on.
But,
Achoo!
Naughtiness, nibbling mice. Ah, nose calming. This should stop the sneezes.
I still say it's a bad idea.
It can't be bad if it helps me play football.
Ready? And tickling sneezes, stop your tricks with this dust.
Sorry.
With this dust, Rupert's itchy nose fix.
My nose has stopped tickling. The sneezes have gone.
Mings caught them. Huh? She's disappeared.
Ming!
Let's go and find her. We'll find her, Ping Pong. If she wasn't in the pagoda or the field...
She's probably in the woods.
Edward, have you seen Ming?
Hello, Rupert. No. Why? Is she lost?
Oh, I hope not. Ming! Oh, hello, Ming. Are you all right?
What's the matter?
I thought I heard a giggle just before Ming sneezed.
I didn't hear anything.
No, I didn't either.
Could you help me pick up these apples?
Shh! There it is again.
I heard it too. Was that the same giggle as...
That is very strange. Oh, I'd better get back to the treehouse.
Any sign of Bill anywhere?
No. But I'm sure he disappeared because he sneezed.
Yes, just like you, Ming.
And just after we heard that giggle.
Bill heard a giggle when Ming fell from the tree.
Ping Pong, you know when I sneezed and made you jump when you were doing your magic?
Yes?
Do you think that could have changed the magic and set one of the sneezes loose?
Ah, it could have done, yes.
Can you do some more magic to stop it?
I could try, but I'd need to work out how to...
It's here.
Hurry up with the magic, Ping Pong, or you might...
Disappear.
What? Rupert?
Bill, are you all right?
Yes, thanks. Where's Ping Pong?
We don't know.
I don't know why you're giggling. It's not funny making people disappear.
right?
Yes, the cheeky sneeze disappeared me to Mermaid's Rock.
We need to think of a way to stop this cheeky sneeze playing any more tricks on us.
Maybe we should leave the treehouse before it comes back.
Good idea. Don't go without me.
We won't.
You'd have been quicker using the ladder.
I think it's safer in the lift. You don't know where the sneeze is.
Look at that.
Do you think that's the sneeze?
It might be. Hurry up, Edward.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Oh, no,
Don't leave me. Don't sneeze.
Oh no! Edward!
You all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
I'm going to stop that sneeze right now.
No. It's only here because I was in such a hurry to get rid of my sneezes. I'll get rid of it.
How?
I've got an idea. Come on.
What are you doing with that?
You'll see. When you feel you're going to sneeze, let me know.
Rupert, the sneeze is behind you.
Rupert, my nose feels tickly.
Bill, we need to surprise it. Come on. I think this is far enough.
Are you sure?
Did you hear that?
I think Mings found something.
What's going on? The sneezes are coming from a hole.
This must be where the sneezes live.
Let's free the cheeky sneeze down one of these holes. It won't want to run away again if it's with friends. Bye. Cheeky sneeze. If I ever start sneezing again, I'm definitely not using magic to get rid of them.
Where's Ming?
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Didn't you have a wonderful time with Rupert and his friends? Wasn't it fun playing him nuts, but he really wants to see you again? And it won't be long before they follow the magic there. So now it's time to say goodbye to Rupert's bed.
Investigate. Who? What? When? Where? Why? How?
Let's investigate now.
Noddy, Toyland Detective, today on Milkshake.
The toys are getting a checkup in this morning's episode of Noddy Toyland Detective. Don't miss it here at 8:25. But first, it's Ollie, the little white van.
All aboard for endless fun and non-stop adventures. Milkshake, brought to you by Thomas and Friends.